In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Exness account without any single charge. This is the easiest way and the fastest way of withdrawing money from Exness. So what do you need? You need this account. You need any crypto wallet, any. And my favorite one is, of course, Binance when it comes to crypto. So we are going to be using the crypto channel, and you're going to see how easy and fast and actually free it is. So the first thing you are going to do is you're going to open your Exness account. So when I open my Exness account, this is the Exness account. When I open it, for those who don't know Exness, this is the best broker we have that you can use to trade forex and crypto. If you want someone to trade forex or crypto on MetaTrader 5, you can use Exness, and it is the best. It is going to provide you all those trading instruments. So sometimes if you don't want to trade directly on Binance, we can come and trade on Exness. So check the link in the description below. Make sure you register with Exness and also register with Binance so that you can be withdrawing money just like this. So let's go, and when you are on your homepage like this, I'm going to click on profile here. When I click on profile, I come to profile, and this is what you're going to see. You are seeing here that my crypto wallet is zero. I think you can see over here that my crypto wallet is zero. There's zero balance. The main thing of withdrawing money from Exness easily, fast, and free of charge is to use the crypto network. Crypto has made it very easy for us to receive money in Africa. So what you are going to do, you are going to make the money you want to withdraw to come to your crypto wallet on Exness. So this is what you're going to do. You click on balance. When you click on your crypto and you click on balance, it's going to open. In few seconds, it opens the interface just like the one you are going to see. After that, we are going to transfer money from any other account that we want to the crypto account. You understand? When money reaches the crypto account, that's when we are going to get a crypto wallet address. We're going to get a crypto wallet address from Binance, and we will deposit there. So you can see that my crypto wallet is showing zero balance. So I'm going to transfer money to my crypto wallet. And which wallet do I want to transfer? I want to transfer this USDT. I want to transfer USDT. So I'll click on transfer. So when I click on transfer, it's going to, of course, open the interface that you're going to see. So I'm going to transfer from, I'm transferring from which account? This is showing from which account. You cannot transfer from this account because it is zero. So when I click the go down arrow, I'm going to click this go down arrow here. And when I click on the go down arrow, you are going to see that on this, I have so many different accounts, but there's this account that has $255. There's this account that has $5.7, and some of other accounts are having zero. So I'm going to transfer from this very account. Let me transfer from this account there. To which account I'm going to transfer now? To which account I'm going to click the go down arrow. I want to transfer to the TRC20. I think I'm going to transfer to the ERC20 address. This is the USDT ERC20 address. I'm clicking on that. After clicking on that, then I'm going to be able to put which amount do I want to transfer? I want to transfer actually 255. I'll transfer 255. Let me write it here. 255. You write the amount you want to transfer and click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to open. It's just going to take few minutes. So I need to click on confirm. You can see that the conversion rate is very clear. 1 USD, when you are to use your local currency or mobile money or other things, even the conversion rate is not going to be 1-to-1 like this. You're going to actually get less money if you're withdrawing using other methods, but this is the best method to use. You can see it is 1-to-1. So I'm clicking on confirm, and I need to put in, of course, some few confirmations to confirm that transaction. So we are processing your transaction. It is going to take very few seconds for my transaction, for that money to leave the wallet it was in to come to the crypto wallet. You get it? So it's going to take few seconds. So it is processing. Okay, let it process. So this is my crypto wallet that you can see over here. This is my crypto wallet. It is still zero as the transfer is processing. Now let me come back and refresh. Let me click on this. Then I refresh here. Okay, it's still processing. It's still processing. Now, as it is processing, let me show you what you are going to be doing on Binance. So this is what you're going to be doing on Binance. You're going to come to your home page on Binance, and this is, you click on Binance. When you click on Binance, this is what you're going to do. You're going to come to the spot market here. You click on spot, or else you click on USDT because we want to bring in USDT. you click on USDT. But for easy, you may not have USDT on your account, so I'm going to click on spot. Let me show you the general way of doing it. You click on spot, and when you click on spot, you search for USDT. Search for USDT. I already have USDT here, so for you, if you are not seeing it, please search for it, and then you click on USDT. So I click on USDT over here. When I click on USDT, you can see it's telling me down here, you can withdraw or deposit. You can withdraw or deposit. I want to deposit USDT on this account. Now I have these other chains. Please, this is the most important part, especially if you are new to crypto. And then I click on deposit. If you are new to crypto, this is the most important part. Always understand the chain you are actually dealing with. Otherwise, if you do this wrongly, you may always lose your money. So you can see we have Tron, that is if it is TRC20. We have BEP, if it is BEP20, that is the Binance Smart Chain. We have Ethereum, ERC20. We have Polygon, and so many other networks that are even not supported by Binance. So we have so many networks. But remember, for this case, we are using ERC20. We are using what? Ethereum blockchain. We are using Ethereum blockchain, which is ERC20. So you click on ERC20 and to open for it will give you a deposit address. This is what you click on to copy. Please don't write this deposit address step by step. Just click on that to copy it. You get it? You click and it is already copied. So you're going to come back to your Exness account. We're going to come back to your Exness account. Let's see our Exness. This is our Exness account. When you click on our Exness account, again, we refresh, we see if it is already transferred. It is not, the transfer is not yet done. Let's click on our crypto balance and we refresh. When you refresh over here, I think everyone, you can now see that our balance is 255. Our balance, you can now see that it is what? It is 255. So when you scroll down here, you can see that our USDT. Now you can see that this is what, this is the network I want to, this is the most important thing. Please, if you don't follow blockchains, if you don't follow the chains or networks you are using in crypto, you will be losing money. So this one, we are using ERC20. We are using Ethereum blockchain. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click on withdraw. I'm going to click on withdraw. And when I click on withdraw, of course, it's going to process and give me some interface like this. So the payment method, we are using ERC20, that is USDT. The currency is USDT, which you have to put the external Ethereum account address that you are putting in. So we already copied ours, so I'm going to paste it over here. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. And I'm going to write in the amount. You can see that I'm going to write 255. Why have I written like that? You can see that it is even showing you here that enter the amount you want to withdraw. It should fall within the suggested region. This one, the minimum is 100, and to 255, because I have 255. But you can withdraw if any amount up to 1 million, any amount that you have on your account, you can withdraw. And then this is how it is going to be. That's the rest of the funds may be withdrawn using other methods. That is, you can see if you want to withdraw using this method, that is what they have notified you with. Now I want to, we click on continue. I'm going to click on continue, and you can see that average payment time, it is instant. Then the fee is 0. You have 0 fee on crypto transactions. So we are going to click on continue, and when you click on continue, it's going to bring this interface like this that you need to confirm. Withdraw as a commission free. Exness will cover the blockchain fee. Yeah, in normal transactions, like normally, the blockchain is always having that network fee that it charges. But in this case, Exness, since the whole global market industry, they are promoting now crypto use makes life easier for companies and even for us who are receiving money. It makes transactions easier. That's why the Exness is even offering to pay the blockchain fee. So it means that when you withdraw 255, you are going to receive 255. When you withdraw $100, you are receiving $100. So I'm going to click on confirm. When I click on confirm, it is going to process. I'm going to click on confirm. It is going to process. So so starting the verification, I need to verify my account. So the message, they're going to bring in messages and I need to do those verifications. So the message has come in. So the verification is 9745 974571. That's the verification. Then I confirm. I need to confirm. So okay, we are processing your transaction. So I click on okay. And then I wait. The transaction is going to be processed, then I wait. So when I come, when the transaction is getting to be processed, I come to my home page here. This is my Binance account. So you can see this is my, right now, you can see that this has been what? This is my account balance right now on my Binance account. But I'm going to refresh, and if it is done, the account should just increase. The money on this account should just increase. So I'll just refresh, and if the money reaches, the money will obviously increase. And that's how you do transactions. You withdraw money from Exness without any single charge. That's how it happens. Just make sure you do your transactions clean and safely, and no one is going to charge you anything with crypto. So I want to do some refreshment here. So let me come back and see. Of course, I've got a notification over here. I've got a notification above here, guys. You can see that it's saying deposit for 255. Guys, no single penny was charged on this transaction. This is the beauty of crypto, right? This is why I love crypto so much. It is making really life so easy. So let's look at this. And let's come to this homepage. And let's try to refresh here. Let's try to refresh and we see. Let's try to refresh and we see if price is really they are really processing to credit this account. I think you can see down here it is already showing 255 processing. I think you can see the beauty of crypto. If you, as someone who has not yet started crypto, you may not trade crypto, you may not do a lot, but obviously if you're a business person making money online, there is one way or another that crypto is going to help you. You need to at least understand the basics of crypto. That's why we wake up every single day to tell you guys about crypto, tell business owners about crypto, tell everyone about crypto, because it's not only a way that you can make money online, but a way that you can improve your own businesses. If you want to learn more about crypto, subscribe to this channel, watch most of my videos about crypto, and then join my Telegram channel where I give tips and tricks about crypto. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.